When your vehicle first arrives at the body shop, the initial estimate is often just the beginning. Many collisions cause damage that can't be seen until the vehicle is partially disassembled. If you decide to move forward with repairs, the body shop will typically ask you to sign a repair authorization. This gives them permission to begin disassembling your vehicle to inspect for hidden damage. Only sign this authorization if you're confident you want that shop to complete the repairs. Once the vehicle has been taken apart, it's common for additional damage to be discovered. The shop will prepare what's called a supplement, an additional estimate for repairs that weren't visible during the initial inspection. That supplement is then sent to the insurance company for review and approval before those additional repairs can begin. This process is one of the most common reasons repairs take longer than expected. Sometimes the insurance company approves the supplement quickly. Other times, they may ask questions, request more documentation, or disagree about whether certain damage was caused by the accident. When that happens, the body shop and the insurance company work together to resolve those differences before repairs continue. During this time, if you have rental coverage or the at-fault insurer is providing a rental vehicle, your rental period is typically based on the estimated repair time and may be extended if repair delays are approved. Understanding how supplements work can help set realistic expectations and explain why repair timelines sometimes change after your vehicle enters the body shop. At Settless Solutions, we're here to help you better understand the property damage process so you can make informed decisions after an accident.